Hello friends, welcome to the another video of operation of KUKA robot. Let's continue from the incremental jogging. Description: incremental jogging makes it possible to move the robot a defined distance, example 10 mm or 3 degree. The robot then stops by itself. Incremental jogging can be activated for jogging with the jog keys. Incremental jogging is not possible in the case of jogging with the space mouse. Areas of application: positioning of equidistance points, moving a defined distance away from a position, example in the event of a fault, mastering with the dial gauge. The following options are available. Setting: continuous. Description: incremental jogging is deactivated. 100 mm per 10 degree. One increment is equal to 100 mm or 10 degree. 10 mm per 3 degree. One increment is equal to 10 mm or 3 degree. 1 mm per 1 degree. One incremental is equal to 1 mm or 1 degree. 0.1 mm or 0.005 degree. One increment is equal to 0.1 mm or 0.005 degree. Increments in mm, valid for Cartesian jogging in the XYZ direction. Increments in degrees, valid for Cartesian jogging in the ABC direction, valid for axis specific jogging. Precondition: the jog mode jog keys is active. Operating mode T1. Procedure: select the size of the increment in the status bar. Jog the robot using the jog keys. Jogging can be Cartesian or axis specific. Once the set increment has been reached, the robot stops. If the robot motion is interrupted, example by releasing the enabling switch, the interrupted increment is not resumed with the next motion. A new increment is started instead. Next is jogging external axis. External axis cannot be moved using the space mouse. If space mouse mode is selected, only the robot can be jogged with the space mouse. The external axis, on the other hand, must be jogged using the jog keys. Precondition: the jog mode jog keys is active. Operating mode T1. Procedure: select the desired kinematics group. Example, external axis on the keys tab in the jog options window. The type and the number of kinematics groups available depend on the system configuration. Second, set jog override. Third, hold down the enabling switch. The axis of the selected kinematics groups are displayed next to the jog keys. Fourth, press the plus or minus jog key to move an axis in the positive or negative direction. Description: depending on the system configuration, the following kinematics group may be available. Kinematics group: robot axis. The robot axis can be moved using the jog keys. The external axis cannot be jogged. External axis: all configured external axis, example external axis E1 or E1 to E5, can be moved using the jog keys. External kinematics group: the axis of an external kinematics group can be moved using the jog keys. The name is taken from the system variable. If set n name is empty, the default name external kinematics group is displayed. User defined kinematics group: the axis of a user defined kinematics group can be moved using the jog keys. The name corresponds to the name of the user defined kinematics group. Next is bypassing workspace monitoring. Description: workspaces can be configured for a robot. Workspaces serve to protect the system. There are two types of workspace. The workspace is an exclusive zone. The robot may only move outside the workspace. Only the workspace is a permitted zone. The robot may not move outside the workspace. Exactly what reactions occur when the robot violates a workspace depends on the configuration. One possible reaction, for example, is that the robot stops and an error message is generated. The workspace monitoring must be bypassed in such a case. The robot can then move back out of the prohibited workspace. Precondition: user group expert. Operating mode T1. Procedure: in the main menu, select configuration miscellaneous workspace monitoring override. Move the robot manually out of the prohibited workspace. Once the robot has left the prohibited workspace, the workspace monitoring is automatically active again. That's it for today's video. In the next video, we'll continue from monitor functions.